Well, you should see the driver's side. I can say that. That is bad.
Heavy braking.
There's water and heavy braking. What a mess. If I accelerate hard, you'll hear it. There you go. Naughty.
Up, you know.
Yeah, I know. Oh. That diff, man. It's front wheel drive. I can get a little bit of power out the rear, but it's all front wheel drive. Oh. It's only front wheel drive. Probably not. I think battery came out as well. That really diff, man. Any power tool is just like crunch, it's fine. That's the second time I stripped the back end. I tell you what done it. I was up at Kennedy just doing wheelies all day long. And where it wheelies, and it sits on the wheelie bar, and the ground, it catches on the ground again. It snags the gear in at the back, innit? So all the strain's on the back. And I've, what's it called? You know when you like stop a diff from moving? I've done that to the centre diff, so the power's the same at the front as it is at the back. So when it launches, it just, you know, the front's getting the same, but it's not getting traction on it. So I might take that off and put it back to normal. I see why they've done it that way. I was just in. Who was that? Barely even see it. Guess that's my GoPro limit. He looks like Ben. He looks like Ben. He is. If it's Ben, he'll come over here. Yeah, no, that's done for. Yeah, it's the back. If I'd done that on the front, I'd have lost my arm, mate. See? Huh? If it was inside the diff, when I turn, it would do it as well. And you don't hear it when I turn, it's just when I give it power. The diff inside's fine, it's just the outer cog. Yeah, that's Ben. So the parts that were causing all that racket were this part here. You probably can't see the teeth very well in there, but they're quite chewed up. They're not the worst I've ever seen, but they are pretty chewed up. And also this part down here. Again, they're not stupidly bad, but they are pretty chewed up. Yeah. So replace these parts. There was loads of like metal sawdust in there. Loads, so you can just about see a chip out of one of the teeth. They're pretty much shredded is the best way to put that. That is what that noise was. So every time I was accelerating, it was going crunch. But yeah, they're all changed now. And one of the reasons why I think it's happened is one of two things. So either it happened because it's coming off and resting on a wheelie bar every time I had the throttle on, and obviously when it came off of the wheelie bar and the wheels caught traction again, it was snagging obviously on the rear diff. That was possibly what was happening. Or it's happening because they didn't put enough grease in there, because there wasn't really a lot of grease. This time round I've absolutely packed it in there. I mean, like brimming packed it. So we'll see how we get on this time round. I probably shouldn't have done that, but yeah, you live you learn. I'm just seeing what will happen if I do. So it's all packed out, fully greased up, and ready to go. Just need to put the rest of these bolts in, and then we're all good to go.